Alright, here we go. Up the big rock scramble. Fucking Andrew and Jason.
Well, wish me luck. I hope that the path goes around, but it's not looking good for us. Right now it's about, what, 15 degrees outside, 40, 50 mile per hour winds, snowing. Can't get it better than this. Let's do it. Ready? Oh shit, I think we were mistaken, brother. Bust out the rope, please. Hey. Alright, we're gonna get a break right here at the top. This is like some crazy shit, dude.
Look at that. What is this? Big bald knob, the beginning of it?
Yeah, after this we got about another 200 feet to the Big Bald Knob summit. And then we're gonna dive down into a valley and pitch camp. About 2-3 more hours on the trail. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Don't die. See if we can do this without dropping the camera.
Yo, your selfie not facing. Not facing.
There we go.
Get it, baby. You know, the weather doesn't make it easy, but God made it easy.
There it is.
Downhill and uphill.
Downhill and uphill. Check back in later, fuckers.